What is up? It's your boy the Canologist. We're back doing another code study session, OSRS AFK training. And yeah, one sec. We're doing monkfish. So if you guys want to see on the map where this is right in front of Piscatoris. And I'm right at the monkfish spot here. Each of these is like 500 GP a piece. So it's good money. Wait, look, examine this. 530 GP a piece. I think single-handedly I'm raising the price of these things by association with this fish. So, there you go. Okay, so on static sites, blog URL. The website, HTTPS example blog at a static web server running in its home directory. Then request to HTTPS exampleblog.com site index HTML. Nice. 66 fishing. I'm going for 70 fishing, honestly. I'm gonna go back to wood cutting. Wait, is this the level to do sharks? That's 76 with a harpoon. Greater Siren with 87 Hunter. Barbarian fishing, sturgeons. 45 agility, 45 strength. 70 swordfish with 50 strength. Oh, but that's barbarian. And then raids, Chiron. Sea turtle, Karambuan. It's funny. Driftnet, Fossil Island with 44 Hunter. Temporos, fighting. Okay. I'll take it, honestly, I'll take it. Home site index HTML. This is just conventionally the server can be configured to return any file or data given that path. It's not always that simple. Paths are essentially just another type of parameter that can be accessed to the server when making a request for dynamic sites and web applications. The path is often used to denote a specific resource or endpoint. Okay. The server uses URL paths to denote different resources, issues, projects. Entire server is hosted at the path, so all requests must be prefixed with that path. Okay, V1 course, learn HTTP, issues. Update the URL to fetch the project data by using the project's path. Okay, so you just say projects. That should work. Boom. That is a win. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Query URL. Looks like my laundry is done. I just gotta do another cycle real quick. So you guys gotta watch the screen only. Okay. Let's deposit this fish back real quick. I'm definitely over 1,000 fish now, like for sure. Query parameter not always present and often used for marketing analytics for changing variables on a web page with web servers. Query parameters rarely change which page you're viewing. Often change the page's contents. That said, query parameters can be used for anything the server chooses to use for them, just like the URL's path. Query parameters are required in a URL, not always required. So that's not bad, actually. Why did I open the terminal? And it's fishing a lot faster than I thought. I'm not even using the dragon spear, which I should be using to get higher fishing levels, which maybe I'll do in the next few. I just don't want to leave this place, and I'm okay with it going slowly. Not always. Open a new tab. Go to hpgoogle.com, search term hello world. Look at your current URL. It should start with Google search hello plus world q. Change the query to hello universe. Press enter. Okay, so let's go. Let's do that. Hello plus world, and then let's go to hello plus universe. Okay, so that's the query parameter. Press enter. So you should see a new search results for the query hello universe. Google chose the query parameters to represent the value of your search query. This makes sense. Each result page is essentially the same page as far as HTML and CSS go, just showing you different results. Query parameters are required in the URL. False. They're not required, but if you want to display data, you should have them. That's just the nature of the beast. Query parameters rarely change They rarely change which page. Often change contents. Rarely change which page is served. They change the contents of the page. Okay, HTTP headers. Okay, now we're in chapter 5. Okay. We're getting to the good stuff. There's only a few more until we get to the next course, actually. So, my eyes are dry. I don't know if it's allergies or like whatever. It's like my eyes are like dry. Okay, what are HTTP headers? So let me crayon off this whole part. Okay, I created borders for my notes. This one is headers, HTTP headers. I just want to shrink the URI real quick. Okay, HTTP headers, let's go into that. That's the next part, apparently. I gotta deposit these fish first. And I might do woodcutting at the guild, honestly, because I just want to bank the logs, too. Like, if I'm gonna AFK, I may as well just bank shit. HTTP headers, metadata. Oh yeah, if you guys want to see the notes, because everyone's like usually obsessed with my note-taking skills, I will show you. These are the notes right now so far. And this is what it looks like. HTTP, the servers. Then we go into decoding the JSON. Map string interface. We just did URIs, so this is URI. components. So the different portions of the URL. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So now you guys have an idea of what these notes are about. Headers. So let's put headers here. Allows clients and servers to pass additional information with each request or response. Headers are just case insensitive key value pairs. Okay. Case insensitive key value pairs. Pass additional metadata. HTTP requests from a browser. Automatically carry with them many headers, but not limited to type of clients, Okay. Define custom headers, okay. And goes net HTTP package. You can access headers through the header type, which is essentially a map of string slices. A map of string slices which allows us to perform various actions on a request. Golang package. Essentially a map of string slices, map string, string. Creating a new request. New request get HTTPS nil. I don't see what the header is used here. Oh, you take the request, then you go header.set. Set a header on the new request. Make the request. Okay, so you got client, http.client, res error, client do, rec. If error is not equal to null, so if there's an error, print the request, defer the closed body, res header get last, print modified header, and then deleting header from the response, res header.dull. Complete the get content function. It takes a pointer to HTTP response. This input and should return the content type header. Use the get method on this response structs header field to get what you need. We don't need to do a defer close apparently because of this. I guess we just follow whatever's in here. I guess for this one I'll just do the exercise. I don't need to actually go into the why. But we will continue that in the next video. Stay tuned. Okay, now I'll just like, comment, subscribe, and give me your suggestions. Peace.